Good morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So let's get into CVS to share the deals starting the 10th through the 16th of February. So let's get into it. Subscribe if you are new here, like this video if you enjoy saving money, and let's go and get the deals. All right, you guys, so the first deal is going to be on the Irish Spring body washes. So these guys are on sale for $3.49 and you're going to get a $1.75 extra care buck when you buy one of them, and this is a limit of 4. And we're getting 75% off coupons. They're coming in Sunday's Smart Source. So final cost is going to be 99 cents each, but if you have a CRT for body wash, so there is a 2 off 6 that I have right here, these are going to be a 2-cent moneymaker when you buy 2 of them. So hopefully you guys have those CRTs to make for a good deal. And definitely check coupons.com on Sunday for printable coupons for soft soap, as well as sending a coupon to your CVS app. Make sure you check your CVS app for app coupons as well. Okay, so another really good soap and body wash deal is going to be on the Irish Spring. So it's the 6-pack of Irish Spring bar soaps and the body washes. So these are priced for $3.99, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. So what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $11.97, and we're getting $1 off 1 coupons in the Smart Source coming on Sunday. So use 3 of those, so you'll take $3 off. And then if you have a 2 off 6 CRT for body wash or 2 off 8, go ahead and apply it here. Final cost is going to be 65 cents after extra care bucks. So hopefully you have these CRTs to make it for a really killer deal, you guys. And there is a printable list for you guys in the description box. You guys can follow along throughout the store, so you don't have to take notes while you're watching this video. I did the note taking for you. We have a spend 20 get 7 in select items. So I'm going to insert a picture here to show you guys what all is included. The best deal that I found is on the Dial hand soap. So the Dial hand soaps are priced 5 for 10. So go ahead and buy 10 of them for $20, and then there are printable $1.50 off 1 coupons. You can print from coupons.com, you can print it from the breakdown, so you would end up paying $17, get a $10 extra care buck back. So you would get that $10 extra care buck back, making it 10 for 10 or $1 each, and I think that's a really good deal for some Dial. Check Savings Store as well on Sunday, because a lot of times they will have like Dial cashbacks whenever this deal rolls around. So yeah, great deal. All right, you guys, so L'Oreal is on, there's going to be a coupon that prints from the red machine. So when you spend 30 and select L'Oreal hair care, facial care, and cosmetics, you're going to get $10 off. And the L'Oreal Everpears, these guys are priced for 2 for $15. So my suggestion for you guys, I'm not doing the spend 30 get 10 because I don't want to pay that much out of pocket, but I am going to come in here for the Everpure deal. So first off, look out for the 30% free on your bottles, because it's the same price. So they're all priced the same. So look for this 30% more. So they are priced 2 for $15, and then you can still use these 3 off 1 coupons that came in the 120 Retail Me Not. These expire on the 16th, so you can still use these. So use 2 of those, and then I got a 4 of 15 CRT for L'Oreal hair care. So final cost is going to be $2.50 for 1 of them, and starting cost is $7.99. So I think that's a really good deal. Okay, you guys, so we have a deal on the Joah cosmetics. I'm actually wearing one of their lip stains right now. So they're on a spend 10 get $7 back in extra care bucks. So I'm going to suggest you guys pick up 2 of the lip colors. So there are a ton of lip colors priced for $5.99. You have lip stains, lip glosses, matte gel lipsticks, but go ahead and buy 2 of them for $11.98. And if you have a 2 off 12 CRT, go ahead and apply that here. So you would pay $9.98, but then get $7 back in extra care bucks, making it $2.98 or $1.49 each. And I think that is a really good deal. And this brand is so cute, and I have a first impression of this brand linked below. So if you guys want some suggestions on how the cosmetics are, just go ahead and watch that video. So the Colgate Mouthwash, the Colgate Total Mouthwash, these guys are on sale for $3.99, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy 1. And then you can still use these $1 off 1 coupons that came in our Smart Source. Let me see when it came, what Smart Source it came from. came from the Smart Source 210, so you can go ahead and apply that there and it makes it 99 cents. This is good because this current sales cycle that's going on today, today's Thursday, you only get $1 extra care buck back. So doing the deal this week, then you get an extra care buck, making it cheaper. And then if you have a mouthwash CRT, then this potentially could be free. So it is chocolate time. So the Lint Lindor Truffles, these are priced buy one and get one 50% off. So what you want to do is buy 2 of them for $5.79. One of them rings up half off. And then there are printable $1 coupons you can use. So I'll have those linked in the printable breakdown. And then if you still have that $1 off 2 CRT that printed from this current sale cycle, final cost is going to be $2.84 and starting price is $5.29. So this is a great deal if you need to get some chocolate for your Valentine. So you can also use the $1 off Lint coupon, the printable coupon, and you can get these mini bags for free. So they're priced for 99 cents. So you use that printable $1 off coupon and you get this guy for free. Okay, so the Hershey Bag Two Chocolates, these are priced for $2.99 on sale, and you're going to get $1 extra care buck back when you buy one, so it makes it just $1.99. Starting price is $4.49, so $1.99, great price. All right, so the Chili's gift card, also the Regal gift card, they're on a buy 50, get $10 back in extra care bucks. So head into CVS, get your movie gift card and your dining gift card, and you have a Valentine's Day gift under 40 bucks, and then use that extra care buck to buy your card and your chocolate. All right, you guys, so the Nyx lip glosses and also the other Nyx lip colors, they are priced 2 for $11.98, and you're gonna get a $10 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. And then if you have that 2 off 12 CRT, pair it here, because these would be free after your CRT and extra care buck. So these are great lip colors, and I always suggest you grab these when this promo runs. All right, you guys, so we have a deal on the Tampax and Always pads. So they're priced for $3.99 on sale, and if you still have your insert coupons, so there are $1 off 1 coupons for the Always and the Tampax, and you can send coupons to your CVS app, so it makes it $2.99. And then if you have a CRT for feminine care, then pair it here for an even better deal. All right, you guys, so this last deal is going to be on Colgate Toothpaste. So these are priced for $3.49 on sale, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy 2. So I hope that you guys saved that printable 4 off 2 coupon, because you would buy 2 of them for $6.98 and then use that 4 off 2 coupon. It's no longer available to print right now. So you would pay $2.98 but then get $4 back in extra care bucks. So then you're going to get $4 back in extra care bucks, making it a $1.02 moneymaker. So this is going to be a great deal. Thank you so much for watching today's CVS in-store videos. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I'll go ahead and link that video that I did for Joah Cosmetics if you want some suggestions on what you should pick up. You guys should definitely try out that brand because it's one of my new favorite drugstore brands. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and let me know in the comment section below what your favorite deal is running for CVS starting the 10th.